In this video, I'm going to show you how I do upholstery as a furniture maker. Not a professional upholsterer, so I'm sure this isn't the best way to go about it, but this is the way I've learned, and it's comfortable and looks good. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, follow along. I've got lots of things planned for the future, and let's dive right into it.
Alright, so our first step is to make a template of our seat cushion. In this case, I already have one made. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull some measurements, and we'll move to the table saw and rip this stuff out.
Here I am cross-cutting the seats at the table saw at a 5-degree angle. This makes for consistent, repetitive cuts to make the seats. At this point, I'm just cutting the foam out on the bandsaw to match the templates on the plywood. From here, we're going to grab our Dacron, and this helps smooth the shape of the foam out as well as make sure the fabric doesn't slide around. Here I have the seat cushions laid out on my fabric just to make sure I have enough. And I'm going to go ahead and rough cut and do a similar process. Here I'm just going to be applying cambric to the bottom. This is just used as dust cover basically. And yeah, I just cut to shape and fold over my edges and staple just to cover most of the staples underneath and to give it a cleaner look on the bottom, which will never really be seen anyway, but... Again, everybody, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and comment below. I'd love to grow this channel some more, and I have some wonderful projects planned for the future. Thanks again.